Video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF document to DocuSign Rooms. Whether you're just getting started with DocuSign or looking to refine your process, this walkthrough will help you seamlessly add PDF documents to your rooms. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website. It's important that you start here because DocuSign is the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it the go-to choice for managing digital documents efficiently. Having an organized digital workspace is crucial for saving time and avoiding mistakes later. Once you're on the site, look for the login button, typically found at the top right of the page. Click on this and enter your credentials to access your account. If you have trouble logging in, make sure your details are correct, and don't forget you can always reset your password if necessary. Keeping your login information secure ensures your documents remain protected at all times. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the DocuSign home. This is your central hub within DocuSign where you can start new actions or manage existing documents. It's important to get comfortable navigating this space as it's where most of the action happens. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout so you can work more efficiently. On the home page, look for the Start button. This button is what you'll use to initiate new tasks, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've click Start, you'll be presented with various options for adding and managing documents. For our purposes today, you'll want to select Upload. This option allows you to bring new documents into your workspace, setting them up for further action in DocuSign. Clicking Upload will open up a file selection dialog from your computer. Next, navigate to the location of the PDF you wish to upload. This is typically stored on your desktop or in a designated folder. Simply select the file you need and confirm by clicking Open. This step transfers your document from your personal storage into the secure environment of DocuSign Rooms. This ensures your document is protected and ready for collaboration. And there you have it. Your PDF document is now ready to be managed in DocuSign Rooms. Whether you're sending it out for an electronic signature, sharing it with your team, or archiving it for future reference, the process is streamlined and efficient. Remember, once your document is uploaded, you can take advantage of DocuSign's features to track progress, set deadlines, and ensure all your agreements are in order. Following this process consistently helps you maintain a clean, organized digital workspace and reduces stress when managing multiple documents. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating DocuSign Rooms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital document management. Happy document managing!